guys, welcome to the Sub TV. I'm Alex. So Christmas is just 2 months away. Have you guys started to prepare for it? If you are looking for something different and something sparkling, I have got some for you today. These are our newly launched Sublimation glitter Santa hats and glitter Christmas stockings. They are made of sublimatable glitter fabric and they are available in 3 colors: pink, white, and champagne. And you can see the iridescent luster on the surface. It's very beautiful and very stunning. And the red part is made of very soft fox fur, and each Santa hat has a fur ring and a little white ball on the back. So it's very cute and it can match with your costume and your party dress to make your Christmas look shine. While the Christmas stockings, they also have the fur rings and they each have a hanging loop, so you can fix them easily to decorate your stairs, Christmas tree, children's bed, and fireplace to add more Christmas vibes to your house. Here are more Sublimation Christmas stockings for you guys. They are made of durable linen fabric with sequin rings and hanging loops. And you can choose from sequins of 4 colors. This is red, this is gold, rose red, and the champagne. And for sublimation printing, you can print your designs on both sides of the glitter Santa hat and the glitter stockings. While for the linen stockings, you can print on the linen part and also the sequin part. You press the linen part first and then just flip the sequins over completely and print designs on the white sequin side. I know you guys can't wait to see how to print them, so without further ado, let's go. So, what Christmas items do you prefer today? The glitter Santa hat? The glitter Christmas stockings? Or the linen Christmas stockings with sequin rings? Please comment down below to tell me. And if you want to order, then right now you can send email to best@getsup.net to place your order. And I'm Alex. I will see you again in my next video.